Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mr. Great.
Alright, thank you so much Pak Iin. Good evening Bapak dan Ibu. Hi. Hello. Okay, give applause to everybody. So they still have much energy tonight. So I shall introduce myself. Okay, so I'm Daniel. I like Pak Iin.
Have you ever been to Bogor? What do you know about Bogor? Yes, rain city. Yes, so it always rains there. Even though it's the hot season, but it's always it always rains. Alright, I'm one of the master trainers from PEARSON. What else? What should I say? No. I'm going to be with Class B. Where is Class B?
My name is Intan. I am from Bandung, and I'll be with Group C. Yeah, I'll be with Group C, So tomorrow, Group C, we will be on the 3rd floor, and we are going to explore some different activities, try them out, and then discuss a lot of other aspects of teaching. Okay? We'll get to know each other more tomorrow morning. Okay? Alright, thank you very much everybody! Oh! Aduh, it's difficult. Gabrek, okay.
My name? Not correct. Yeah. Okay, my name is Grace. Wait. Anybody named Grace here? No, not me. Okay. Yeah, usually every training there will be at least one. Yeah. Okay, but now apparently from all these 300 something people, no one beside me named Grace. Yeah. Okay, so do you have an administration named Grace in your class?
Yeah, please introduce myself. My name is Siska. Yeah, and I'm one of the master trainers of PEARSON, and I'm going to be with Class A. Alright. Yeah. So we will get to know each other more tomorrow. So shall I say about the technical things tomorrow? Yes. Okay. So, however, I would like to have some agreements with you for all the classes, okay? But before that, I would like to ask you a question. How often do you speak in English? Do you speak in English every day? When you have our information, do you speak in English? When you have MTFP, do you speak in English? Yeah. So, one of the agreements for tomorrow, we...
Hello everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, dear teachers, there's information. You can have some snacks and coffee.
Oke, siap.
Yeah.
Oke,
Okay.
Mas.
Okay.
Mari, Bro.
Right.
Kami break.